My apologies, everybody. It has been a while since I've done made a video. I mowed. I had this long old thing where I talked, but this darn GoPro didn't pick up any of the audio at all. Like several, I don't know, like 15 minutes of talking wasted. I don't remember what I talked about. A storm's a brewing. That guy out up there. That guy's still alive. Still ticking. So anyways, in my last video, well, in the video that I recorded, I talked about pre-emergent, well, basically getting my lawn ready for winter. Now, I live in Southern California. There ain't no such thing as getting your lawn ready for winter. So I will not be getting my lawn ready for winter. The only thing I'll be getting it ready for is the next mow. I still have to water, I still have to fertilize, I have to do all of that stuff. And in 8 more days, I gotta throw this guy a party because my grass is gonna be 1 year old. 1 year old. It's gone through a lot. It's survived animals, some heat stress, lots of rust, more animals, more heat stress, more rust. So I've watched this guy do things before, and I swore he'd spit a web at me because I was too close. So I ain't doing that again. Okay, oh, he's coming down. Oh, he's got the web strung out right through here. He's trying to get it on something. Here's the map of the rain. Coming my way. There is lightning in the area, but we're gonna go watch football. I gotta watch my Chargers. While the game is currently in a weather delay, I will chat some more. I don't understand how a football game played in a dome can be on a weather delay due to lightning, but that's the situation we're in right now. I dethatched the yard, and then I used here's some thunder. I used forgot what it was, but I took a video of it, but I don't think there's any audio on it, so we'll put that on there. I'll show you what I used. And I mean, here we are 2 weeks later. Forgive me for the sun. It's hiding behind clouds, not scared. It's pretty amazing. When the sun is out, it is really dark, except for this strip right here. All day shade. But I still have my trouble spots. Corners. Apparently I'm not good with corners. Well, I'm good on this one. That one's good. That corner, that corner, that corner, and that corner. I'm terrible at. Someday I'll get it figured out. I got a sprinkler right here. It gets all of this. I don't know. Just kind of waiting to see what this is gonna do. get out the map here and see where the clouds are. So the thunderstorm has passed. It's in Inglewood. So it's passed because they play in Inglewood right here at Hollywood Park, which is now Chargers home. So yeah, there you go, SoFi Stadium. So they're out of the clear. But I live over here, and it's coming my way. When was the last? Yeah, I was taking a minute ago. It's still pretty far away. About 18 miles away. Close enough to hear the thunder though. So, I am going to look around the yard like I have a big yard. I'm going to scarify and overseed after this grass turns a year. Feed it. But I do have, I noticed I had more than just one, but I noticed this one first. Weed. Since then I started looking a little harder. Around the edges I have more. So I gotta take care of those as well. But all in all, the only real weeds I have is that dang Bermuda. And right now you can't tell. I've been mowing it really high. Yeah, I can see some Bermuda here. See, I have a trouble area here too. I'm just on the other side of the apricot tree. My trouble spots. Oh, did I just walk into the web? Oh, I walked into the web. Oops. Sorry, I walked into your web. Now you're not supported very good. My bad. All that work you did, all for naught. The wind's probably going to pick up. I think I saw some lightning right now. But, yeah. Sorry there, little guy. Dad said he was getting some. That was a good. I was struck by lightning. Yeah. Oh, that was a nice one. Oh, well. Okay, so it's off to the right now. There we go. Come on. I'd like to apologize for not finishing off that video. The lightning camera, the battery died, and I was watching football, so I didn't know. But it was pretty exciting. We don't get a lot of lightning and thunder around here. It didn't rain much, so that part kind of sucked. But I got free nitrogen. That part's always good. So when I did that video, it was 2 weeks, I believe it was, after dethatching and putting down the what was it, the microgreen, and now we are at 3 weeks. It's been a week since I mowed. The grass is just growing uncontrollable. I've been busy in the evenings and I have not been able to mow as much as I want. Even my corners are looking decent. Even this area is looking good. So obviously I'm gonna mow and I'll make some more content. I need to start mowing it lower because I want to scarify. So I'll close out this video of the lightning. I don't know, I thought it pretty cool. We don't get a lot of lightning around here. We don't get a lot of rain, so I hope you enjoy just a little bit of what caused the delay for the Chargers-Raiders game and what it looked like from a little more northwest until my battery died. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. Truly appreciate it. Appreciate all the love and support.